Sawadika, mabuhay! Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Clarence Elazar, but you can call me Renz, located in the last letter of Clarence. And now, I'm gonna be your tour guide for today to the delicious cuisine and wonderful culture in Thailand. As we make our way to our hotel, I'd like to give you a brief overview of Thailand's transportation system. You might be interested to know that Thailand has a very well-developed network, making it easy to get around by air, land, and sea. We'll be arriving at our hotel shortly, where you can drop off your bags and take time to rest. And make sure you double check all your bags, things. So we'll be spending the day exploring the city's famous landmarks for tomorrow. I'll be meeting you at 9 a.m. in the morning. Tomorrow, we will have a sunny day weather, so make sure you bring all your stuffs like umbrella, sunscreen, shades, or sunglasses, water, and don't forget to take a breakfast first before we arrive to our first destination. Just to give you an idea, Thailand has several several international airports in Bangkok, being the main hub. We also have buses and trains that connected us to neighboring countries and several major ports for the trade and commerce. But for now, let's focus on getting some rest and freshening up. We got an exciting day ahead of us, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with all of you. We'll be meeting back in the terminal and ready to start our adventure. Sounds good? Alright! By the way, this is Sir Jude, our coach captain for today, to answer all of your questions and give advice on other places to visit. And now, before we start, I want you to remember always have a passport. P is to plan, A is to adventure, S is to seek, another S is to explore, P is to prepare yourself for the journey, O is for the opportunities, meaning of that is new experience discoveries that await for you on your journey. R is for roam, and T is for travel. So time check, it's 9:55 in the morning. Also, I want you to be attentive to know my signals. So if you hear the sound and saw this flag, it means it's time now, and we're heading to our next destination. Welcome to Thailand! Mabuhay! Sawadika, everyone! So, do you know that Thailand is known as the land of smiles due to its friendly and welcoming people? The country's culture emphasizes hospitality and respect, reflecting the warm smiles and greetings visitors receive. And now, we're heading to our first destination, called the Grand Palace. So, what is the Grand Palace? An old complex in Bangkok that was So, what is the Grand Palace? An old complex in Bangkok that was the official palace of the King and Queen of Thailand. So, do you know that the Emerald Buddha, Wat Phra Kaew, in the Grand Palace itself is the main attraction, a figurine of the meditating Buddha made from 1 foot